two hawks landed in a pecan tree right in front of my house.
We're here.
There goes one. The other one's still up there.
There was two hawks.
They've been messing around here for the last couple of days. I think they might have a nest somewhere close by. Oh, there comes a third one. Here comes a third one. Yeah, up there. I probably ain't got him in the frame. There he goes.
Oh, shit.
There's three of them.
Three of them.
Might be a mating pair, and another one's trying to come in.